Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Warthog Defense. I'm Seth. We already reported that Ukrainians managed to stabilize the lines after the fall of Avdiivka and the initial Russian momentum. Now, Ukrainian forces, still without enough shells, managed to regain Tonenke near Avdiivka. Regarding the circumstances, this is heroic at this point.
The Ukrainian army regained full control of Tonenke, west of Avdiivka. Russians are shelling the village with MLRS. We must say that this kind of advances are incredibly hard right now, due to the shortages of shells on Ukrainian side. Russia attacked Odessa earlier today with a missile while Greek Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis was visiting the city. The target was believed to be the motorcade of Zelensky. The explosion occurred approximately 150 meters from the location of the Greek delegation. No one from the Greek delegation was injured. Greek Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis also spoke about the attack, which took place near the motorcade of the Ukrainian president. We heard the sirens as we were walking to our cars, and immediately there was a big explosion. For us, this is the best reminder that there is real hostilities going on here, every day, and they are affecting more than just the front. Zelensky commented on the missile attack on Odessa during his meeting with the Prime Minister of Greece. According to the president, as a result of the strike, there are dead and injured.
Ми бачили сьогодні цей відповідний удар. Ви бачите, з ким ми маємо справу, їм все одно куди бити. Я знаю, що сьогодні були жертви. Всіх ще деталей не знаю конкретно, але я знаю, що є жертви. Знаю, що є загиблі, є поранені. Чи це удар, мої співчуття, будь ласка, прийміть. Але ви бачите, все одно є, це військові або цивільні, хто б не був, є гості міжнародні. Цим людям все одно. Вони або з глузду з'їхали, або вони повністю не контролюють, що їх терористична армія діє. Ось що ми бачимо. Це говорить про те, що нам потрібно передусім захищатися. Краще всього це система протиповітряної оборони. Ми розуміємо, що треба робити. Є весь план у наших партнерів. Ми потрішки посилюємось, повільніше, ніж хотілося. Але, на жаль, це те, що є. Але те, що ми посилюємось щоденно, це також факт.
In occupied Berdyansk, Svitlana Samoylenko, the organizer of Putin's pseudo-elections in the occupied territories of Zaporizhia region, was reportedly eliminated today, according to the GUR. Samoylenko willingly collaborated with Russian authorities and was appointed to the Russian Occupation Administration. She held the position of Deputy Mayor for Economics, Agriculture, and Finance. Samoylenko's husband and adult son also served the Russian occupiers. Crazy stuff. A Russian Su-34 dropped 3 RBK-500 cluster bombs south of Orikhiv some days ago. And when we are talking about downed Su-34, let's count how many of Su-34s that probably did not return to bases between February 17 and March 2nd. We all know that within 15 days that, according to the Air Defense Forces of Ukraine, they shot down 11 Russian Su-34 fighters in the east and southeast of the country. The fact that only 2 planes were shot down was visually proven. And this is obvious because the planes were shot down in the very rear of the Russian occupiers. And although there is no particular evidence, the results are visible. The sky over Ukraine is practically clear, especially in the east, and the number of aerial bomb drops has halved. On Primorsko-Akhtarsk Airport, at least 1 Su-34 did not return to its base. In general, the Su-34 should not have been on the airfield in general, but at the beginning of the war, 4 units were still relocated there. One of them was probably shot down over Mariupol. On Krimsk Airport, probably 4 Su-34s did not return to their base. The situation is identical to the first. Before the war, Su-34s were not based here, but very recently they appeared there, and then magically disappeared. On Morozovsk Airport, presumably, one Su-34 did not return to its base. There should be about 20 Su-34s in total at the airfield, but most of them are not visible in the pictures, so these pictures should be treated with skepticism. On Kanska Airport, 8 Su-34s were redeployed closer to the front. We probably had to delay the drying process due to the devastation of the airfields listed above. We will be able to deny or confirm this in the near future. In general, 6 Su-34s out of the 11 declared did not return to their bases, and in addition, another 8 Su-34s were relocated to new bases to replenish losses, somehow. A video from the shipment of the BMP3 from Kurganmash, second shipment in 2024, where you can more or less see the whole echelon, approximately 25-30 vehicles. Of all the near-tank enterprises, only KMZ still shows something about equipment shipments, since there is some production of new equipment there. But even this production is estimated by monthly shipments within 300 vehicles per year. This is not enough not only to replenish new vehicles, but also to make up for Russian losses.
Уже завершится полностью вот этот первый этап программы именно переоснащения предприятия, что позволит нам в последующие годы существенно нарастить производство финальных изделий.
Attention, Belgium. Putin's new geopolitical discovery. He said that Belgium, to a large extent, appeared on the world map as an independent state thanks to Russia.
Кстати говоря, Бельгия, вы, наверное, знаете об этом, в значительной степени появилась на карте мира как независимое государство, в том числе в значительной степени благодаря России и позиции России.
And Solovyov is again even crazier.
Марсель.
Вот что касается наших.
Ну, Бухарест, само собой. А вот потом Париж,
Лион,
Марсель.
Лион, хороший город.
Лион.
Там праздник огня есть, да. Вообще.
Лион, да. И в Германии надо за Таурус вот что уничтожить?
Гамбург, да.
Вот Гамбург.
Какая-то Кирмиш, Гархен, где вы учились?
Гармиш-Парtenkirchen. Ну, он маленький там.
Он не стоит, да, то есть Гамбург.
Там это дорога.
Или может Мюнхен,
ракеты дороже стоят.
Нет, просто может провести голосование в аудиториях, какие города им не жалко, чтобы они понимали,
Рамштайн.
к чему приведут идиоты, возглавляющие эти страны.
Thank you guys for watching. We will continue to monitor the situation on the fronts and we will report if Ukrainians make another success. Stay with Warthog Defense. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members